कदम उधर जाएगा तो सीधा नीचे गिरेगा और सीधा गॉड के पास जाएगा. Life is all about taking risk. Take risk and enjoy life. आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे, जमाना है पीछे. Hey everyone, welcome to my video about Madhugiri Fort, one of the most incredible historical monuments in Karnataka, India. We started our journey very early in the morning and enjoyed the early morning view on our way to the fort. This is the entrance of the Madhugiri Fort. Since we reached early, there were hardly any people around us. And I love to be in a less crowded spaces. We are starting our trekking. Madhugiri Fort is a stunning example of ancient architecture and engineering built in the 17th century by the Vijayanagara Empire. What makes Madhugiri Fort truly remarkable is that it is built on a single monolithic rock formation, which is believed to be the second largest monolith in Asia. The fort is about 110 km away from Bengaluru towards Tumkur district. It is famous for its Madhugiri Fort, which is quite popular among trekkers. It takes about 2 hours from Bengaluru to reach Madhugiri and can be reached by car or by bus. The nearest railway station is Tumkur, which is 40 kilometers away from Bengaluru. It would be ideal to start early and reach early to the base of the fort to avoid harsh sun unless it's raining. But then the trek is not recommended during the rainy season for its extra slippery hill and it can be dangerous. The fort has a series of gateways, walls and bastions that are still standing tall today, despite being over 400 years old. In between our trekking journey, we took some time to catch our breath and click some good pictures. The fortification also has a number of secret pathways and tunnels, which were used by the soldiers to outflank and surprise their enemies. The trek till halfway is quite interesting. The real adventure starts after midway. To reach the top of Madhugiri Fort, you need to trek through a steep and rocky terrain. But the stunning views from the top are definitely worth the effort. There is a stretch of nearly 20 feet which is almost 80-degree angle and has only iron bars to rest your feet and walk through. I almost froze there. There is no way you can either look up or down from there. You have to just look at the rods and keep resting your foot one after another on each vertical bar to cross that path. मंजिल बहुत करीब है We are going to the top of this fort. Feeling super fascinated. Look at the view. AC का हवा, natural AC. It's a natural AC का हवा. Life is super beautiful. Whenever you get time, just make little time for yourself and travel. Traveling is so important. It heals your soul. There are a few points where iron rods and side pillars are there for support, but they are very scary. Look at the view. You can see the surrounding countryside for miles around and take in the fresh mountain air. Hardly few minutes left. We are going to make it. You know, today I feel that all my life I traveled, but I didn't document. I think never too late. I'm really feeling good that I'm able to now document things and most importantly share with all of you. Madhugiri Fort is not just a historical monument but also a popular spot for rock climbing enthusiasts. The sheer rock faces offer challenging routes for climbers of all levels, and there are plenty of experienced guides available to help you tackle the climb safely. In our case, we took a full risk to the challenges thrown at each step of the way. Life is all about taking risk, isn't it? This is what I believe in. There were many occasions we faced challenges climbing up. If you are not an experienced trekker, my advice to you is don't trek alone. Please take support from the local guide. Reaching almost there, I felt as if I was at the top of the world. I'm at the top of Madhugiri Hill. Feeling so good. The entire journey, it took us only 1 hour. In between we stopped and we clicked so many good pictures, videos. It was very fascinating. And when we started this journey, I was like, lag raha tha ki pata nahi main kar paungi ya nahi. But as we started the journey, one step at a time, and then finally we are at the top. Buggy bye.
Buggy bhai ikade.
Ikde baga. Yeah. You want to say something in Kannada? कैसा लग रहा है बगी भाई?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಾವಹಣ ಬೆಟ್ಟ. ಮಧುಗಿರಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟ.
Madhugiri Betta.
Monolithic rock.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. We are at the top of the hill. Ho, we made it. Yeah, the final door.
ಆರಾಮ್ से आना.
आसमां के नीचे आज अपने पीछे प्यार का जहां. आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे, आज मैं आगे जमाना है पीछे. कम. Overall, Madhugiri Fort is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history, architecture, and natural wonders. Its monolithic rock formation and stunning fortification make it a unique and inspiring attraction in Karnataka, and one that should not be missed. It was time to go down, and it was much more simpler than climbing up. Thank you, my colleague Sagir, and the driver of our life. Thank you so much. आपके वजह से मुझे इतना confidence मिला, and we really enjoyed this morning. Stay tuned. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning about Madhugiri Fort. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel content from around the world.